At NextHome Lifestyles, we believe there's so much at stake when you're buying a home that our clients should know the difference between the average real estate agent and what it truly means to be an expert. Expertise in real estate is earned through consistent service and investment in obtaining the knowledge and skills necessary to be considered an expert in your field. That's why a NextHome agent is trained not only in assembling and managing a real estate transaction, but more importantly, our agents are trained to match their services to the client's motivations, concerns, and needs so that we can help them successfully into their next home. Here are just a few examples of the expertise that the NextHome Lifestyles agent possesses. Number one, market knowledge. Our agents follow housing market trends closely, able to suggest everything from seasonal timing, competition to buy, and even to when the market favors buyers, all so that we can help them have the most amount of choice possible and again, help them negotiate for the best possible price. Number two, our agents have what's called knowledge of inventory. Because our brokerage transacts a high volume of sales each year, our agents are more knowledgeable of properties available on the marketplace, meaning that we can quickly match a buyer's preferences to certain areas, neighborhoods, or even property types. Number three, we have knowledge of hidden inventory. There are many more opportunities beyond the listings that just show up online, and our agents are experts at uncovering those opportunities. Through our networks of fellow top real estate agents that have clients that are looking to sell but not yet listed, as well as through our own knowledge of those sellers that have tried to sell but have failed, and even through our own database of homeowners that we know or have worked with in the past that are looking to sell or considering to sell, we have many more properties and many more opportunities that we can match our clients up with through our hidden inventory. Number four is product knowledge. Our agents are familiar with many different property types, from single-family homes, condominiums, townhouses, to multi-unit, including all of our different communities and neighborhood options. This translates into the ability to help you compare the advantages and the disadvantages when it comes to terms of construction type, layout, lifestyle, and even future value appreciation potential. Number five, we have knowledge of cooperating agents. We can provide our clients with a competitive advantage because our agents possess the skills necessary to uncover true insider knowledge from a cooperating listing broker regarding their seller preferences, price expectations, and even competition to buy that particular property. This all translates into a higher probability of helping our clients get their offer accepted, as well as the potential to help you receive big savings. Number six, knowledge of mortgage options. We partner with some of the best lenders in the industry, those that are willing to assist our clients with comprehensive financing options up front. So our clients will have the confidence that they're getting the best interest rates, terms, and even conditions to save them the most money on their loan, as well as on the overall cost of the home. And last but not least, our agents also possess negotiation expertise. More experience translates to more confidence when writing offers. This means that we're able to help you prepare an offer with terms that are more likely to persuade a seller to accept a lower price, or to even provide you with credits to offset repair costs. At NextHome Lifestyles, we invest a ton of time, money, and research into the tools and training necessary to ensure that our agents live up to being true local experts. All to ensure that our clients have all the information, resources, support, and choice necessary to make the most informed decision when they're buying their next home.